Hi guys, welcome to LDFS. I'm Dr. Lakshmy. Today we'll be discussing about something interesting. We'll be discussing about the clinic inauguration day. 5 things which we should never miss on our clinic inauguration day. That is what we are going to discuss today. Kindly like and subscribe us and share with at least 3 of your juniors so that there are 3 more dentists who are getting benefited from the content which we are sharing. Majority, the junior dentist will be the one who will be getting the benefit, maximum benefit from our videos. So kindly share with just 3 more juniors if possible. Thank you so much, guys. The clinic inauguration day is something which we all dream of. We are so excited for it. We are very tensed. We are very happy. We are very emotional on those days. So we tend to forget about few things. So today we'll be discussing about 5 things which we should never miss on our inauguration day. There are many more things, definitely, but we will be discussing these 5 things today. Let's start the discussion. The first point is we should invite the adjacent shop owners and their staff on our inauguration day. Now, why we should do that? There are various reasons. First, these adjacent shop owners will be there from a very long time. They will be knowing a lot of things locally, like maybe hiring the maid, hiring a local help. They will be helpful in finding those helps. That is the first reason. Second is we should also invite the staff of those shops, because the staffs are the person who will be staying in that shop for 24/7, but the shop owners are not available always. If you are planning to tie up anything, maybe to distribute the pamphlets among their customers, or they will be helpful in guiding the customers towards our clinic. Like if some of their regular customers ask them, where do they know about any good clinic around them, then these staffs are the person who will be helpful in getting us those walk-ins, which we may miss. Other reason is if your clinic is in the first floor or second floor and your staircase is not easily visible from the road or from the ground floor, then these people are helpful in guiding our patients to our clinic, because usually patients get frustrated when they are not able to find the way upstairs or something like that. When they are not able to find the clinic, they will get irritated and they may think about skipping this clinic and then going to some other which is easily visible. So if your clinic is in the first floor or second floor, you need to have various signboards and all, but sometimes even the signboards are not helpful. So sometimes these shopkeepers or the staff will be great help to us. They will guide these customers to the staircase, which will help them reach our clinic. So these are the few reasons. And also getting the maid, local help is very easy when we can have a good relation with the adjacent shop owners. So that is the first thing. We should never miss to invite the adjacent shops owner plus their staff on our inauguration day. Second is to invite the landlord and their family. Landlords are the one with whom we will have a long-term relation. We don't want to strain that relation. We need to have some personal relation with him. When you have only a professional relation with your landlord, when you are discussing about your contract renewal, you want to discuss about your rent and all those things. Maybe during the COVID time, you want little help. That is little easy, or I would say little helpful, if we are having a little personal relation with our landlord. If it's only professional, then it becomes a little difficult for us to convince them and to get some benefit. So if possible, have a personal relation with the landlord. And when you are inaugurating your clinic, that is the best time to invite them and their family to the inauguration, so that easily we can from a professional relation to a personal relation. It's a good first step to have, and then later on, definitely there are many steps to be taken, but at least this is a good first step, good reason to invite them towards our clinic. So because in my clinic, when I have inaugurated, I have also invited them and their family were my patient. their kids were my patient, their mom, the landlord's mom was my patient. So many people were my patients from their family itself. I was like a family dentist to them. So that is helpful. That helps to have a good bond, good rapport with your landlord, which will be helpful in the long run. So that is something which we should never miss. So right now we have discussed two things. One is the adjacent shop owners we should invite plus their staff. Second is we should invite the landlord and their family. Third thing is to invite adjacent doctors and dentists who are there in your lane. I'm so sorry. That's my little girl. She's just few months old. Um, I can't help it. The sound will come. Okay. So coming back to the topic. So in the you must be a little surprised whenever you open a clinic. You will think of the other dentists who are there in the lane as your competitors, but actually it's not like that. The other dentists are not your competitors. If I know it's very awkward. It's very we are uncomfortable when we are inviting them or we are going to their clinic and inviting them to our inauguration day. I know it is difficult, but if you overcome that and invite them, you will be surprised to see that it has a lot of benefit. I'll give you some examples. Imagine it's during the Corona time. If you had a great friendship with your adjacent dentist, then you guys could have clubbed together and ordered PPE kit and etc. in bulk. When during that time we understood the need of bulk order because we got various benefit from it, right? The PP kit was costly during the start of Corona. Now it's better, but during the start it was very costly. And when we were ordering, we were thinking about the cost, how to overcome that. Already the clinic was having less of patients and all those things. But when if you guys were having a good rapport, you could have ordered together and you could have easily shared. So that is one thing. Another thing is they will be helpful in finding you a good associate dentist. They will be helpful in finding you a specialist if you are not able to handle a case. And imagine if you are out of town and your staff is not able to handle a case. Rather than at that time sending the patient back and then thinking about something, you can just refer that case to the other dentist, get it done there, and then later on the follow-ups and all those things you can do it in your clinic. Same thing, it will be helpful to them. So it's a to and fro kind of thing. If you also help them, they will also help you. So we just have to get out of our comfort zone and go ahead and invite them. And other doctors also you should invite. The other clinics are there. If there is some pediatrician clinic, if there is some skin clinic, anything, invite them to your clinic on your inauguration day so that you will have a good rapport with these people, and the benefits are huge. You will know in the course of time when you are handling the clinic. So that's the third thing. Fourth thing is put up a banner of your clinic opening before you open the clinic. Usually we don't do these things, but you must have seen a lot of gyms doing it, a lot of parlors doing it, or a lot of other shop owners doing it. Before the inauguration day, they'll put up a big banner and inform the crowd that what is coming in that shop and when is inauguration day. Similarly, we don't have to spend on a big banner and all. Just a normal flex banner is enough, and it won't be much costly. You can just put that flex banner on front of your shop and inform the crowd, the passerby, the people who will be our walk-in patients, to inform them that there is a clinic opening over here and the inauguration day is on so date. This will help us to grab the attention of the people who are walking there, and especially in the market area. If you're opening, don't forget to do this. It will be very helpful, because rather than a shop, a banner and all, we can put it for 10 days and all, it will grab attention. Sometimes people may miss a new clinic is opened. They won't pay attention. They'll feel that okay, the shop was there. But rather than that, if you put a banner, they know okay, one clinic is opening there, and it's easy for us to grab their attention. So that is something which we can try. We can put a banner before opening the clinic, before the inauguration day, maybe 10 days before or 1 week before, and then on the inauguration day, we can have a grand party. Fifth, last point. There are many other points also, but today we'll be discussing this as the last point. That is, we should have some handouts ready so that those whoever is walking in on our inauguration day, any patient or anybody who is coming to inquire something, maybe about some cost or price or anything, we will be ready with some handout which we will give it to them, so that it can be anything. It can be your coupon, because it can be some coupons, some discount offer, some maybe your before after cases, something else totally different about something valuable to the dentist, to the patient. Maybe you can give them some keychain. It's up to you, whatever amount you have and how much ever you are planning to spend on the inauguration day, you can do that. You can have, if nothing is there, you can just have a normal pamphlet where you are writing all the clinics things, all the treatments which are done there, etc. You can hand that to the walk-ins that are coming. These are the inquiries which may be coming on that day, and it may be useful after that also. But don't forget one thing: whenever these inquiries come, have a book or something ready and write their number, phone number, name, email address if possible. Those all things, collect those things. Those will be very useful to us. So that is the last thing. Having some handouts, some pamphlets, something in some form which we can give our patients. Something ready. And don't forget to write those inquiries in some book. So have somebody who is the receptionist ready for these things. These are the 5 things which we should never miss on our inauguration day. I'll just brief those things. First is to invite the adjacent shop owners and their staff. Second is to invite the landlord and the families. Third is to invite other dentists and the doctors which are nearby. Fourth is to have a banner before the inauguration day. Fifth is to have some handouts ready for the walk-ins and the inquiries which come. So these are the 5 things. I hope you like today's video. Kindly like, share, and subscribe us. And don't forget to share with 3 of the juniors. That is 3 more dentists will benefited from the content which we are sharing. Thank you so much, guys. Send us a hi on this number. We'll add you to our special WhatsApp group, broadcast list, and we will be sending you the link first before releasing outside. Thank you.